Alrighty, guys, let's go. It is Monday, and we have some big earnings coming up here. I appreciate you guys all joining up. As always, let's go. Let's have a great start to the week. Thank you, Martha, Keisha, Mike, Bill, Xbox, Corbin, and Ant. Thank you guys for joining up. Let's go. I know my thumbnail didn't update. It still showed DraftKings on there, which, you know, hey, whenever we go look at DraftKings, it actually does not look half bad today. It actually looks pretty good, if you have to ask me. Pretty good movement there. Let's get our 3-chart setup going. It looks like it always gets nice and messed up for Monday morning. Let's see Tesla trying to pop up there. We have SPY on the top left. Bottom left, we're going to put... I guess we'll put this signature Walmart with those earnings there today. Then we have the dollar in the bottom right. Let's maybe see gold in the bottom right today. Yeah, GLD's not bad. What about /CL? Crude oil futures are starting to pop a little bit. But yeah, it's been a pretty good morning so far. You know, lots of price action, a lot of movement in all directions. The big thing I saw was honestly the SPY falling under 404. I thought that was pretty brutal to see that move down here this morning. I hope that we can start to maybe like reject off of this area and then it's like fall back down a little bit more. But I don't know, we're gonna have to reject first. See what we got here. We're like running right up into the resistance I have posted. Just right up into it on the top left chart. That's the SPY. Tessie's really trying to come back and open. What's up with that green candle there? That's actually a pretty good one for someone like Tesla. AMC is up 7%. I know A-Lead must be going crazy right now. With that thing being up so much. He's been calling for it to have a big break. What were we looking at on the daily again, A-Lead? What was that? It was a big, there's like a big wedge or something going on, right? Guess we'll say Nate. I think his name was Nate. Yeah, it definitely was. Google under $93, Xbox says, and Palantir under 9. Google under 93? Why? Oh, geez. That is a bad sell-off, isn't it? Ooh. Brutal there. Amazon's down, too. Uh-oh. I got those Amazon puts last week. Do you guys remember when I got those on the stream? Ended up being pretty good here. Amazon puts. Yeah, I did enter these like on Friday's stream, actually. Let's see, though. Just throw me out any stocks you guys are watching. Anything you want to see right now as far as stocks going up. Zom's moving up. A couple stocks up. Other than that, though, my watch list is mostly to the downside in a pretty big way. Like Spotify is down a lot. One of Keisha's favorites being Chewy is down. How's Johnson & Johnson? They're actually holding up a little bit. CCJ's falling off. Zoom falling down. SoFi down. So many stocks are down here. Rivian's down. Not good with them. Lucid. Let's go check out that earnings calendar because, guys, this week with earnings is gonna be awesome. Just straight up fired. So check out Wednesday there before open and after close. We are going to be looking at some awesome stuff there. Baidu, Nvidia, Lucid, Unity, Etsy, Teladoc, Sunrun even. Sunrun. What is that ticker? I forgot their ticker. Sunrun. RUN. I guess that's what it was. That's, yeah, okay. That makes sense. Every time this is the run is running. Whenever it goes up, everyone says that. They're like, hey, Tom, run's running right now. I'm like, hell yeah. It was made to be. It was made to be running. I like it. That is funny. AMC. I was just watching it, Nathan. I'm not counting this as a squeeze yet, though, man. We got a ways to go. How high did you say we thought we could get again, Nathan? Nathan, what are you thinking on the price to the upside? Corbin says, I'm watching NSC right now. How's Meta doing, though? Meta's starting to pop. Actually, not looking bad there. Not bad today. NSC does look pretty bad, though. Give it that one. Not looking too good there. Xbox says he wants to see SKLZ pop. Yeah. Is this the company? I could be totally off here. Don't they make like football equipment or like baseball training stuff? SKILZ baseball training. Not trading, training. Here we go. Here we go. Skills baseball. I was right. Yes. Here we go. Is this the same company, guys? I used to use this stuff back in the day. Hell yeah. All the time. All the time, actually. Look, the catapult. I need one of those, man. They got a lot of stuff on here. Wow. Man, I would have been hitting all the time if I would have had some of this at home. Dang. Got some plates and some quick sticks, power stick, whatever the hell that is. I'm sure some of you know. Wink, wink. Let's see. SKLZ Spin Vision Ball. That's pretty good. See how the spin's going. Very interesting stuff. Wow, a ball that tells you how hard it gets thrown. I used to love those as a kid. They never worked right, but I thought it was fun. I always thought it was cool. One time I had one of those and I threw it and it said 100 miles per hour and I was like, oh my gosh. And everyone's like, no, you're not really throwing it. Here's the stuff we used to really use. I went through this whole product list looking for this and it was at the very end. This little reaction ball. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. It's pretty cool. You like bounce it on the ground and this thing will bounce all over the place. It's pretty good for infielding. Pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to check that out. SKLZ. Is that even the same company? I don't even think it's the same people. It's definitely not. This is funny. Now I know what this is. I remember this one now. Yeah, it's the company's principal activity to develop and support online hosted technology platform. Okay. That makes sense. Now that I looked it up here, I see now. And I think what's actually pretty cool with them, Xbox's skills, I think you can actually play these games like for money against people. So like you could play like Blackout Bingo against people for money or like Dominoes or Solitaire or something. Can I play it right now? Are you kidding me? Is it really gonna let me? I'm playing Gem Blitz. Oh, it didn't work. Yeah, so skills powered features. I see. Real world prizes. That's interesting. Reminds me of the old Pogo games, if you guys have seen that. Mike says he saw an article of Ray Dalio being extremely bullish on AMC and GameStop again. So 710 is Nathan's price target on AMC, and then $10 would be possible. It's 8 minutes in. It's running like crazy. It says YouTube's all over AMC right now. Huh. Yeah, it's definitely moving up. That's pretty big there, Nathan. That is pretty darn big. I have to see more videos. Yeah, he leads 500 shares in the AMC, he told me, so that's cool. Nice. Hopefully it gets back up there, man. I'd feel really bad if it didn't, so. Let's get up there for a lead. And everybody else holding. So many people are in this one. I know people are in from the top. A lead's been in at the bottom, but at least from what I've got. What I've gotten from it, that's the case. He has the $6 calls for March 17th for the split. Or he just has $6 March 17th for the split. I don't know what that meant. Neo popping off, man, he says. NIO. Forgot about the China EV stocks. We have Neo over here. Yeah, not bad, really. I mean, bouncing off support. Actually, forming pretty well, I'd say, compared to most stocks. Yeah, Neo's looking good. XPEV. XPEV looks pretty good, too. Not bad. Dang, XPEV, man. It's trying. It is trying. It's a big run, though. Up above 960 there. Steadily pushing higher. Xbox says he was thinking of Neo and XPEV. That's funny. I stole it. No, I'm just kidding. Manny stole it. Thanks, Manny. Mike says, of course, he can't find the articles now. Yeah, I'm with you, Mike. Sometimes I see articles and I go look them up, and then it's all messed up. You know, like the article will say something very negative. It'll say like Elon Musk, just a hypothetical here. It'll say like Elon Musk set to lose 2 billion today or something. And then they'll change the article and make it not as negative, and it'll say like Elon Musk going to court today could lose 2 billion or something. You know, like it's so weird. Sometimes they actually change them. I've seen on like CNBC and lots of other ones. Change them right from the get-go. Xbox says he's got to make coffee. What's everyone drinking? Man, I'm drinking some coconut bai today. Show you guys what that looks like real quick. Coconut bai. Here it is. Bada bing, bada boom. Right there. The good old bai. I'll tell you, this stuff tastes just like coconuts. Let's see the nutrition. 4% juice, but it tastes like coconuts, I'll tell you that. And it doesn't, I don't know how to explain the taste either. If I had to imagine what juice out of the coconut tastes like, that's what I'd imagine this. But I haven't tried real juice out of a coconut. This even smells like, the stuff even smells like the ocean or something. Very weird. What the? It says on the side of the bottle, exotic flavor that sends your tongue on a tropical tastecation. Okay. Sounds like something you tell the sharks on Shark Tank. You walk in, oh, sharks, are you ready for your tastecation? You know, that'd be kind of funny. Could see that happening. Gengar says it doesn't sound tasty. He needs his sugar. Diabeto. Uh-oh. He needs his sugar. Let's see. Oh, it only has 1 gram of sugar. I'll tell you, this is tasty. This is tasty for not having any sugar. It says it's made in, wow, get this. It has 55 milligrams of caffeine like a cup of green tea. That's so weird. It doesn't even say anything about being caffeinated on it. Like, they're not trying to get you caffeinated. Very weird. Oh, it's a strange flavor, though. I'll tell you that. It's good, though. It has antioxidants. Whatever, I don't know. Mike says, Dunkin' Donuts coffee, just black, no cream or sugar. Yeah, what brand are you guys drinking? Thinking of that, guys, I'm going to go turn on my coffee maker real quick. Give me like 2 seconds. I'm going to turn on our 4-chart setup here right quick. Let me turn on DraftKings here in the bottom right. Woo, DraftKings, new highs again. Let's go. 2162. Gotta love that. Let's go, DraftKings. Nice. Gengar says he has those drinks, but other flavors. Yeah, it's the Bai. B-A-I. Let me go start my coffee, though. Then we'll talk, because I bought some new coffee, guys, and it's that I bought the Black Rifle coffee. Hang on, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back. Let's go. Got that coffee brewing. Let's see any live trades today, Tom. I mean, honestly, Xbox, I'm just going to be riding down that play from last week on Amazon puts, you know? I think that's pretty much the play here. I don't think I should try to force it. Those Amazon puts are looking good, though, today. So far. They're for April 21st. 23 at the 90 strike puts. If you missed them on Friday, my average price is 3.20 on these 90 strike puts for April on Amazon. Pretty good. Pretty good one. I like it. Gengar says buy watermelon's great. I have cherry and the blueberry one. Nice. I don't think I ever tried those ones, but yeah, I gotta try those now too. Corbin says he's out of his NSC puts. NSC, nice. Started falling down finally. I knew that was gonna fall. I mean, it's just a matter of time, right? Just a matter of time. Just wait till some bigger lawsuits start coming. I think this thing will start to really go. So Mike drinks Dunkin' coffee. Sean says McDonald's coffee from Walmart. They actually serve that? I didn't know that was a thing, Sean. That would be pretty good. Purdy says he got 22% return on his money in 4 days if SPY stays below 408. Manny says correct puts, NSC. Hell yeah. I think those puts will do great. It's starting to extend down quite a bit now. Kind of right at support. There is some support around here, so keep that in mind, guys, as you navigate NSC. Kombucha drinks. I don't even know those ones, Gengar. He says those things just taste nasty. Yeah, that's pretty funny. I like that. Kombucha. I gotta look up what that is. I'm probably saying that so wrong. Oh, I missed it because I went to go get my coffee. Purdy said he played the call credit spread on SPY, sold the 408 and bought the 413 for 224. He got $114 on that one. In premium. Nice. So he got a 22% return. That's not bad. Well, yeah, 22% return if SPY stays under 408. SPY under 408. Let's check that out. Let's see. 408's all the way up there at that big resistance that we've been talking about. Keisha says she loves kombucha. It's a fermented tea drink. Let's look up some good kombucha. What the? Oh. Hang on. This isn't kombucha, though, is it? This isn't kombucha, right? Hint? Can't be that. There's no way. There's no way. Let's see what this is. Variety pack. Mixing up mocktails. What the? Fuel for a happy gut. Look at that happy gut, guys. Look at their nail. It even has a little smiley face on the nail. Looks beautiful. I love that. It's pretty cool. Got the little nail going on. Come on. I don't know. Interesting. I don't know kombucha. How often? Kombucha is a food. It's best to look at it like you would a fruit. Delicious, natural, and beneficial like other natural foods. There is no right or wrong amount. Drink the amount that makes you feel good. I like that. I like that about kombucha. It says I can drink as much of it as I want. That sounds pretty good. I wish they said that on the side of the Jack Daniels. I mean, no, I'm just joking. He said it's just water. Purdy sells kombucha. Nice. Oh. Xbox says, I bet it's better than a yellow snow cone. She said they're different brands. Yeah, I was seeing that. There's a whole bunch, it looks like. It's only telling me a couple here, but... A sweet peach? No, a sweet pea. Oh, that's what it said. This is some pretty interesting looking stuff, though. Like, how do you make this stuff, guys? Do you, like, mix it with, like, water so it's, like, concentrated and you, like, I don't know, put it down? Let's see, here's some kombucha brands. A bubbly probiotic tea. Here's another one, the Brew Doctor. Kombucha. Gingerade. That's pretty funny. I like that one. Gingerade. I have some friends who are gingers who might like this. They might enjoy that. Might be good for them. It'll help the hair, you know? What's this one? This one looks really good. Dragon fruit. All right, I'm getting distracted, guys. Let's get back to that stock market. No more kombucha. Homesick today, so Purdy gets to pay attention to the market. Very nice. That's awesome. Corbin says, I guess I did the wrong, but I'm so tired. I'm not sure what to do, and I don't want to over leverage my small account. And that's coming off of, what'd you do wrong, Corbin? I don't even see your other messages, man. Dang. Xbox is good on the snow cone. That's good. I don't know. Nothing beats a good yellow snow cone, though, guys. I mean, nothing beats it, right? I love that scene from Dodgeball. You know, the guy's like, I drink my urine because it's sterile or something. I was like, oh. I was like, that's disgusting. Like, honestly, like, how dare that man?
How dare you?
I had to come up with something to use it for, right? How dare you? Love it. My coffee's out there brewing, though. It should be almost done, right? Yeah, it's been like 10 minutes or so. Should be getting there. Should be getting there. Gonna have to go get a cup of Joe here soon. Like I said, I'm in those Amazon puts from Friday. Still riding the wave to the downside. For anybody interested in any of the trades I'm doing. That's a free one anyways. Pretty good one. And that DraftKings, though. Can't believe it. It's coming back. We're almost back up to my average price, guys. We're back to my average almost. Who would have ever thought? Man, I'm kind of hoping that we reject and fall back down. I want to buy in lower. Honestly. I need more. More DraftKings. Come on, let's go. Look at all these stocks, though. NSC on the right side falling off. SPY. What about the DraftKings doing good on the bottom there? QQQ. Ah, Tessie. Tessie fell back down? Are you kidding me, guys? Tessie's back down? JD's down 10%. Oh my gosh. Check out the China plays, guys. Wow. Baba's looking rough, too. Thank God. I should have held my Baba puts. I'm kind of pissed, guys. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit pissed off now. I had some Baba puts last week, and it just wouldn't fucking move. It wouldn't move, and then now this week, we get the big gap. Now we get the big gap, of course. Okay. Fucking Baba, thank you. I think I got out at a very small loss, maybe break even. I can't quite remember. Wasn't bad, though. Tried to put it away. So it's the 90 strike puts on Amazon for April, Nathan. April 21st, 90 strike puts on the Amazon. All right, we're in at 3.20. Believe. Hang on. Hang on, let me tell you. 3.20. Yeah. Yep, 3.20. We also got into a few Palantir leaps last week. If anyone wants to know that, just ask me in the chat and I'll give you those strikes as well. That play was doing well. Now it's starting to, it's like break even now. So I guess if you entered the Palantir play, you'd be entering right at my price, which is good. Corbin says he left a lot of money on the table. Should he buy back in? He's being indecisive. I don't know, Corbin. You know, it kind of seems like stocks are trying to come back up now at this point of the day. I don't know. Tough one. I like my Amazon puts. Here's what I'll say. Is if it's something on like Microsoft or Apple or something, Corbin, I like it. If you're trying to play puts on like Zoom or DraftKings or something, I don't think I'd play those ones. Don't think I'd play those ones. Especially not DraftKings. And I'm not saying that one, of course. I knew you weren't meaning that one, Corbin. But I would say those Amazon ones for April are pretty good. You know, you can just hold them. You don't have to worry about being too indecisive, which I like about that. And Amazon's under 100. And it rejected off 100. I mean, pretty big rejections here. I'm looking for a retest of 90 sometime soon. At least. It'd be nice to see it. But yeah, I'm into those Amazon puts. April 21st, 90 strike. Like I said. The Palantir leaps. Uh-oh, those don't look good. Those are going to be falling down a little bit today. Yeah, now I'm down a little bit on them. This is the Palantir 10 strike calls for January of 2024. 2024. It's not a crazy play. My average price is like 167 a contract, so 1.67. Only got a few of them, so nothing nuts. You know, $400, $500 position, gonna hold it for a year or so. Or, you know, for like 6 months. Hopefully we see Palantir recover back a little bit. If we don't, well, you know, at least it wasn't a lot of shares. I guess, right? WMT, Keisha's shouting it. Let's go. Walmart coming all the way back here. Jeez, Keisha. Jeez, that is a big move all the way back. That is crazy. I can't even believe I'm seeing that. No, I didn't. Texas two-step. Hit him with the two-step. You guys know that song? Purdy knows that song. I know he knows it. Johnson & Johnson. Let's see. I forgot the name of that song now. But it's like hit him with the two-step. It's a good country song. People dance to it all the time. All right, so he just says back up to COD on Friday on Walmart. COD. What is COD? Center of day? Oh, she might have meant HOD, maybe. Could have. It's a good move though, Walmart. Gotta like it. Oh, close of day. I see. I see. I always say at the EOD, end of day, but I feel you, Keisha. Your way is probably better, honestly. EOC. End of day, whatever. Yeah, exactly. It don't matter. I understood. So many goddamn terms in this market. Dang it, Keisha, I cursed again. Does damn count as a curse word? I guess it does. I guess whenever you say goddamn, it really does. I guess that counts as a bad one. We'll say that. Yeah, it's a good move, though. WMT looking good. Like that. How about Target today? Ooh, competitors going against each other here. What about Kroger, KR? They're actually looking kind of like Walmart there, so very interesting. I like that. I like it. Xbox says, I thought you mentioned DJ Unk two-step. I think that is what I did. Let me go look that up real quick. We better not get banned here. All right, DJ Unk two-step. I'll tell you if this is the right one.
Okay.
Nope. Nope, it ain't the right one. Hit him with the blicky. Hit him with the blicky. That sounds pretty good. Hit him with the two-step. Here it is. This is it.
Right now, I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner.
Don't ban me.
And if you're by yourself, no worries.
I want to hear the two-step.
Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step, then
Oh, something with the two-step there.
Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie.
He's gonna do the two-step. Okay. That's what it's called, though. The get up. That's what it is. Yeah, it's awesome, Keisha. It's a good one, isn't it? It's a good one. I wish I could play it longer. I really can't, though. They've been on us, man. They've been threatening of YouTube's been threatening us of some bullshit. Or I mean, damn it, now they're gonna be mad I said that. they have been getting us for the songs. It's been kind of rough, actually, to say the least. Every time we do a stream and you do like 5 seconds of a song, they send an email to Mike and they're like, copyrights. He looks so happy, Xbox said. Alright, so Xbox was talking about Rewalk Robotics earlier. A medical device company designs, develops, commercializes robot exoskeletons for individuals with mobility impairments or other medical conditions in the United States, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Africa. It's RWLK. I've actually seen this one a lot, Xbox. Let's look up some of their stuff. You guys will be pretty taken away by this. Rewalk Robotics equipment. Here we go, Rewalk. This is the right one, right? Yeah. Yep. So they're making like those exoskeleton things, kind of like on Call of Duty, guys. You guys remember this stuff on COD? You guys remember that? Like Advanced Warfare and all that? You could like wear your exoskeleton and upgrade it and stuff, and your guy could like run on the wall and, you know, do like big jumps and stuff. That's kind of like what these guys are building in a way, except it's meant to help people with like knee problems, you know, or hip issues, or maybe cartilage being worn away or stuff like that, you know? Very interesting, though. Yeah, see, it like connects to the legs. It could have like some like movement in there. You wear the battery on your back. It looks just like the stuff on Call of Duty. I hate to say it. Here, watch this. Advanced Warfare Exo Suit. Here it is. Look. In the game, you'd wear a little suit like this. On his legs and his arms, and your guy could like run quicker and stuff. I can see that becoming a thing in real life now. It's pretty cool, actually. You know, now that we look into that. That's actually a pretty... That might not be a bad investment at 79 cents. Let's see that daily chart. I mean, it's brutal. They did have a reverse split. I don't like that. I don't like the reverse split with it. It could always come back, but I don't know. That is pretty brutal there. Purdy says for asbestos in their baby powder for Johnson & Johnson. 14 cases have been settled out of thousands. They already lost millions. Whoa. They'll split the company into two entities. One entity will contain all their debts. The other will have their assets. The company with debt declares bankruptcy, and the other part of the company gets off free. And this is Texas two-step, right? Let's Google that. Texas two-step bankruptcy. Oh, it's the strategy. I see. Okay. That's the name of the strategy. Texas two-step. I like that, Purdy. That's a cool name, isn't it? What a cool name for something like that. You learn something new every day, don't you? That's awesome, Purdy. Thank you for making us aware of this. So Johnson & Johnson's going to be doing this. Keisha, have you heard about this at all? With Johnson & Johnson? That's weird. So Johnson is going to split from Johnson, and then one of the Johnsons is going to go bankrupt, and the other Johnson is going to be just fine. So instead of being Johnson & Johnson, it's just going to be called Johnson. Okay, I like it. I could get around this stuff. I could get down with this. I like it. We'll just call it Johnson. We'll just trade the good Johnson then. You know, we'll kick the bad Johnson off to the side of the road. Gengar says, I can't wait for the day we become cyborgs and I get to pee through a hose coming from my finger. Gengar, if that ever happens, I'm going to be very upset. I could see, like, my kids running around, like, spewing that stuff all over the place. A lead said Johnson versus Johnson. I like that. Yep, April 90 strike puts, Nathan. Yes, sir. Come on, Amazon. Keep on doing it for us. Yeah. Yeah. That's how we like it. We don't like this, though, with Palantir. We do not like that. Man, that's pissing me off for my leaps. My Amazon puts, though, were kind of a hedge. I think I said that. Yeah, I said that like 10 times Friday. I said it was a hedge. Because of all my long-term stuff. But I like those Amazon puts, though. The 90 strikes. Entered them on Friday. Love that move there. Perfect. Yeah, I was eyeing up this intraday. Well, I was eyeing up this daily chart on Friday, too. What I really loved about this move was I saw 4 green candlesticks here that were looking pretty good. You know, like, there was like, oh, wow, we might be recovering up. I was kind of like waiting for us to turn back over. Once I saw that second red candle on Friday, and I saw it break that low of 96, I saw it recover up a little bit. When it recovered up, I was like, oh, I'm going to enter there as a good entry because, you know, like, it's on a downtrend. Those 3 to 4 green candles here were pretty much just consolidation days for the continued trend down. Kind of like how right here was a consolidation day for green, you know, movement back up. Why is there a green dot on this? Oh, I drew that apparently? Okay. Yeah, apparently I put a green dot there. Okay. Guess I did that on Friday. We need Palantir to get back up, though, not Amazon. Watch Palantir just, like, sink off with earnings now. That'd be terrible. I'm hoping they hold this 850 support. Pretty big one here. Pretty big level coming up. Party's now up 25%. Very nice. Purdy says he thinks it'll be called New Johnson, he believes. That'd be interesting. New Johnson. Huh. It's better than Old Johnson, I'll give him that. Better than Old Johnson. Go UVXY. Hell yeah, I forgot about them today. The market hasn't been selling off enough yet this morning for me to have it on my radar, but actually it kind of has. Market's been selling off in a pretty good way, back down to around 400 even there, looking good. Hopefully we can go back down and test that. That move under 404 today was awesome, though. We talked about this a ton last night. Just a ton, so love to see it. Love to see it. Wow, let's see here. That watch list has some pretty red stocks again on it. BBBY. What about AMC? Are we still green on that front? Yeah, we are. Holding up pretty good. BBBY had me thinking of that. What about Meta? Meta had that good news, but it's not holding. Of course not. I'm gonna go get my cup of coffee, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes here. Alrighty, guys, got the coffee here. Let me show you what kind of coffee I got here. It's actually pretty good. I think you guys will like it. Black Rifle Coffee. It's called Freedom Fuel. Freedom Fuel. That's it. Let's find those images here. That's it. I wish the bag looked like that, but actually, I guess this bag's cooler. Right, this is the bag I got. Looks pretty dope. You know, it's got the World War II guy on there with his M1 Garand, it looks like. It's either a Garand or a Carbine. M1 Carbine, one or the other. That would have been an awesome gun back then, guys. An M1 Carbine in World War II. Here it is. Man, this thing's sick. This would have been the gun, man. Semi-auto, just be like, doop, 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 doop. Very light recoil. Here's one. Here's a guy. Here's a guy with one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, here's another guy. Oh, yeah. He knew how to hold that. It's pretty good. 30 Carbine. This is the rounded shot. So 30 Carbines in the middle here. You could tell it was still a pretty big bullet. Pretty darn big. Kind of a weird bullet, though. History. Little slice of history this morning, right? Alright. Going back to that SPY, all the way down to 401.80 now. Approaching support. Jai says, I've gotten more conservative with his trades. He'd love to do more research on that strategy. Took a hit this morning and he's looking to go with it. Yeah. Selling some of these options would be awesome. The credit spreads are the way to go. It's definitely a good way to go. Honestly, all of those spreads, some of the credit spreads, debit spreads, stuff like that. Xbox says M1 Garand or M1 Garand 30-06 versus 30-30. But actually, he shot 30 Carbine. Was it 30-30? Let's see. 30-30. 30-30 Carbine. No, it shot 30 Carbine is what it was. 30 Carbine is what it was, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 30 carbine. But yeah, the reason why I heard a lot of troops preferred this one. Now, obviously, everyone's like, oh, the Garen that's got the big bullets, you know, like with this, I don't know if they had bigger magazines in World War II or not, but if you could get this in like a 20 round mag or like a 30 round magazine with this, and it's semi-auto with that bullet right there, I mean, that would be definitely like sufficient on a battlefield. But from far away, I guess I'd rather have a. There you go. There's a longer mag, I guess. From far away, I guess I'd rather have the Garen 2. The Garen is definitely a little beefier, you know. Some people said the Garen was a lot of the soldiers preferred that small one, I heard. I don't know why. They maybe just because it's lighter and they could carry more ammo or something. I don't know. But I heard they preferred that one. Like they said it was good enough, you know, if that makes sense. And they thought, I think that the thing I've heard is the recoil was so light, you know, you could get like 3 or 4 rounds on target. I don't know. The reload is why. Oh, could be Xbox. I mean, oh yeah, it's 30. I know my gun's Xbox. Don't you worry. Perdinator on there. Yeah. Spy about to lose it, man, he says. Let's see. Down to 401.80. Yeah. 401.80. I'm like a gun nerd. Freaking nerd. The reload. Yeah, that reload was iconic, you know. Hell, my favorite YouTuber's name is Garan Thumb. So, there you go. The ping. I love that ping. I've actually gotten to shoot at Garand a couple times, and it was very cool to hear that, and very cool to reload. I'll tell you though, everyone who says that reload's really hard, I don't know. The reload wasn't that bad. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Like, I'll tell you, like, maybe in a really stressful situation it would be tough, but I don't know. To me, the big thing with that gun is just the magazine size. Only having 8. Be like, do, ping. It'd just be too quick. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Those clips would be kind of bad. Now that you say it. Did they ever gunk up? I've never heard of that. Grand clips gunking up. Combat. Let's see. Here we go. Well, here's the gun shooting. We'll just figured I'd show you real quick.
Hey guys, I'm Jerry Mitchellek. I'm back with my trusty M1.
If you guys ever know Jerry Mitchellek, he's one of the best shooters out there. Here you go. Here's how the gun is, though. A little slice of history for us.
Talk. Here we go on the timer. 8 rounds. 8 rounds on target.
That guy's awesome, guys. This guy's so cool. But you can hear that little ping at the end, you know, that's the iconic little ping everyone's looking for there. It's so cool. Yeah, those clips would have kind of sucked, I guess. But I heard the troops liked I heard that they liked the fact that it had more ammo with the smaller gun. And then number 2, like when I say more ammo, number 1, bigger mags, number 2, they could just carry more. But they also liked the weight. It was a paratrooper gun. And then they also like just overall maneuverability with it, I think, too. Those Garens are beefy, man. Beefy. And I'll tell you, they kick pretty darn good. From the ones I've shot. Yeah, those clips would get terrible. He watches Kentucky Ballistics. You know, that's one I haven't really watched. I don't think. Let's see. Kentucky. Maybe I have. Ballistics. Have I seen this man?
Pistols to see how lethal.
Nope. Never seen this guy. Interesting. I've definitely heard of them, though. I've probably seen him a couple times. Palantir falling off the face of the earth here. Getting back into the stocks. Going to our 4-chart setup here. So Amazon moving down, good for the puts. Palantir's moving down, bad for those calls. DraftKings just going Baba's Walmart's coming up a little. Okay. How about crude oil? Falling off. Wow, Zom's falling down a little too. Oxy. Oxy selling off. Guys, Oxy, let's go do an Oxy in-depth report. Because that daily chart is pretty darn bad. You guys should check out some puts on Oxy, I think. I think we might be entering some puts here. We've been waiting for a nice move away from this trend line on Oxy here for a little while now. And I don't know. I feel like it's just a little overextended. And I think we're going to finally get that little jump back to the downside that like we've been waiting for on Oxy. I don't know. Oxy's a very tough stock. You know, it's in that oil sector. The oil sector is a very tough sector right now. I feel like it's just very mixed, in my opinion. There's too many things going on, especially like with Ukraine and all that too. Like, it's like, geez, there's just a bunch of stuff on the table, I guess we should say. But I don't know. Oxy on this daily chart's finally breaking the trend, getting a solid move down. If we start falling under 60, I mean, it might be time. It might be go time here. For the puts. We start falling under support. Could be go time. Let me know what you guys think about it. You know, what do you guys think? Yeah, Xbox. I'll definitely check him out. He looked like a pretty funny guy. Honestly. Looked pretty good. I'll watch one tonight. Check him out. Yeah, I'm into all the shooting channels, the car channels, all that stuff. It's my favorite stuff to watch. Oh man, I forgot to look at Campbell's soup for Keisha. Wow. Campbell's soup. Okay. Wow. Oh no, I looked at it for a second earlier, but look at it bouncing off this trend line again. I think Keisha and me have played this or looked at this trend line like 8 times. Hey, what's up, Parthiv? Hope I'm saying that right. How are Zom calls looking like for a quick trade to 111.75 to 112? Let's go look at it, Zom. I'm not a big fan of the calls right now today, but let's see. 111.75 to 112. That's actually not a bad type of move. That would be close enough. I think it's realistic. Yeah, 11.75. Even 111.70 seems pretty big. Not sure. Let's see the futures. I don't think I like it right now. You know, the overall market's falling off. We have crude oil futures falling down. I don't know. I think I like it for a play to the downside. Yeah, I'm kind of leaning down here on Zom. Leaning back down, I think. Man, I'll tell you, my heart is just screaming right now, Oxy puts. I mean, it's just screaming Oxy puts. It wants me to go buy them. A little weird. Let's go eye up some of those puts, maybe. Let's do some Oxy puts for maybe May. Pretty cheap. We go to April for real cheap, guys. April 21st, you could get in the money for like $500 or out of the money for like, 300, 400, something like that. Not too bad. Pretty cheap. Kind of like it. That's Oxy. So the 60 strike puts on good old Oxy, you're going for like 375. Almost 4. I don't want to overload puts having the Amazon ones too, but I'm gonna keep eyeing this one up. If it falls under 60, we might have to eye this one up a little bit harder. I'm gonna have to make a little alert here. We're gonna add an alert called Oxy Breakdown Trade. Okay, crossing $60.05. We'll do $60.10. So yeah, 60.10. Expirations in a month. Notifications here. I want it to text me even too. Wait, what? Account verification. You guys have my email. Oh my god. Stupid. Stupid. I gotta go through this. How dare them? How dare them? They're ruining my thought process on the trade now because of this.
How dare you?
Yeah, how dare them? Right. Submit that. Okay. All right. Send email to SMS. Isn't it gonna text me? Isn't that what that means? I guess it's not texting me, damn it. That's on Thinkorswim. Oh well. We'll see if we get back down there, I guess. Either way, it's placed, so that's good. Huh. Let's see the LVS here. What about Win Gaming? That'd be kind of Win, darn it. What's the one Dave Portnoy has? Do you guys remember that one? It's a casino stock. I just can't. Oh, it's Penn. Penn. That's it. Penn Gaming. Whoa, NVIDIA. Head Splinter says, what do you think about NVIDIA? Good question. I'm glad you asked, actually. So NVIDIA is actually in a very crucial spot here. You know, we talked about this a little bit in last night's video, but there is a huge support coming up around 208. I mean, huge area. Also, 206 is pretty big too. Had a couple of hits there a couple weeks ago. But 208 to 206 is a huge area of support. If we start to break under here with NVIDIA this week, I think that we'll test 200 and possibly go lower. I'm really watching, though, this key support here for this week. Now, as far as the earnings go, I don't know. I'm split. I am split on those earnings. I have no idea which way I think they could go. AMD did well on theirs, so I would think maybe NVIDIA could also do well with their earnings, too. And what I got to say about AMD is congratulations to everybody who profited off of AMD on Friday. That was an awesome free day trade. It was amazing there. The free day trade today and hashtag day trading was on NVIDIA. Mike actually had Amazon, so good stuff there. Mike had Amazon, and Amazon had a very nice breakdown this morning. At least for a quick scout. At least for a quick one. But the market's pretty mixed today, I'd say, though. In a whole sense. Kind of mixed. Is AMC still going? Let's see. Oh my gosh, secondary leg up. Guys, watch AMC. This thing really is starting to get some momentum. Is it that, or is it just inversing the market like it does sometimes? Sometimes AMC does that. Once in a while. Man, Baba, what a weird move there. Look at JD today. Holy crap. Gap down really far. Oh my gosh. Yeah, AMC though, what a weird move. These China stocks are moving in a weird way too. Man, some of those gap downs with those China stocks were tough today. Tough gap downs. Zom getting momentum back, Bart says. Let's see. Ooh. It is kind of popping up there for you momentarily. We almost got that move up to 1170. I mean, pretty close to the area you said. It'll probably hit the one you mentioned, Partha. Purdy loves when AMC does well because it means he gets to make money buying puts tomorrow. That's funny, Purdy. Be a little careful. Some guys are... Nate in here has been going on about AMC in the chat. Head Splinter also is asking what I think about natural gas. Xbox says HLX is up 15%. What the? Helix Energy, what is up with that one? Was it just earnings today? Wow. Yeah, they broke that all-time high, or that recent high at least. Dang. That's a pretty good one. It's a lot of momentum. Say that. I'm gonna try my coffee here. My Freedom Fuel. Oh, wow. Wow, this stuff's good, guys. It's pretty good. Wow. Yeah, this was the one. Freedom Fuel. Huh. Very good. I like it. Yeah, really nice. With notes of dark chocolate. Yeah, I was gonna say, I almost got... That's funny it says that. I actually got a little bit of that, like little mocha action going on. Very good, though. Hey, Atomistic. There we go. Thanks for joining up. I appreciate you. It's great to hear your voice. Thank you. Thanks for being here. I'm glad my voice sounds good. You're making me blush here, Atomistic. No, I'm just joking. I guess when you're glad to hear it, that doesn't mean it's good. Kind of wish I could be a... It'd kind of be fun to like announce like a baseball game, right? How the hell do you get that type of job? You've announced like minor league games for a long time first or something? That'd be tough. That would be tough. It'd be tough to do. I hope you guys enjoyed your day off yesterday. I went out to lunch with my mom and ended up getting some golf practice in too. So overall, I had a pretty good day. You know, nice, chill, relaxed type day there. Not bad. Man, AMC, what a move though. Gonna have to keep that thing really close on the radar, I guess. Man, that coffee's good. I'm pretty sure I like it better than the Folgers. It's a little hard to tell, but it's darker than the Folgers I had. Folgers. You guys probably gonna like laugh at that. You're gonna be like, "Oh, Folgers." Like that. My grandparents used to have the Folgers all the time. Used to be kind of the thing we did. Wow. How's that Palantir doing? Big drop. Big drop down. Let's go ahead. Let's go look up the SM bot. What we have with some Momo here. Find some Momo. Google Puts is on the Momo screener. Uh-oh. Wow, it actually looked kind of good, guys. We are right around support, though, it looks like. So AI puts are also being called out a lot on the bot. Dang. AI, uh-oh. What about SI, Silvergate? Remember this one? Forgot who put the money into this. Oh, Citadel. Ken Griffin Citadel took a 5.5% stake in SI, and then George Soros shorted like 100,000 shares of this or something. So, kind of insane. 100,000 shares short through put options, and then our other boy with Citadel's buying the stock. So, kind of weird what's going on there. He doesn't want to hear golf practice. It's a high of 51, lows of 0 here today. What the? High of 51? Low of 0? Sean, what am I hearing right now? That sounds really bad. For me, it's a low of 40 and a high of 56, but wow. That's rough, Sean. That is really rough, man. I'm almost to my season opening on the GHIN, Sean. I'm finally gonna keep track of my scores for a handicap. Let me go to my little website here. Amateur Players Tour. Amateur Players Tour. Let's see. Thomas More. Let's see what we got here. Upcoming tournaments. I'm playing at Stone Wolf on March 19th, and then Peevely Farms, one of my favorites around me, on April 2nd. Stone Wolf is fun. I like that one. Stone Wolf is a fun course. Let's see that one. You guys will like this one. Stone Wolf Golf Club. I know Cornish will like this at least. Wait till you see this. I'm pretty sure Jack Nicklaus designed this thing. Yeah, here we go. Jack Golf. It's a Jack Nicklaus signature course. The man, the legend himself, took an active hand in total design and construction of the course. One of only 4 courses in Illinois and Missouri that Jack has. It's an awesome one. I played it a few times. It's a nice course. It's a hard course. Very hilly, I'll say. Very difficult course to play. Very hilly. Where's that scorecard at? Hole by hole. Wow, they have each hole on here. Where's the fun ones? Like 5. Looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. Good old Jack Nicklaus. BZ under $40, Xbox says. Verizon. Under 40. Wow. Yeah, it's even fallen under like 39.70, which was pretty big support last week if we want to get really technical with it. Wow. Pretty good move down, though, Xbox. Pretty good. Spy's coming down to retest 400. Dang. So we said. The title of the stream is puts, and more puts. That's right. So I guess we were right there today. Here, guys, I'm gonna throw Cornish's weather here up. Look at this weather. Look at that. 52 degrees and then 3 degrees. And then tomorrow it's 7 and negative 14. Sean, that is something else, man. That is, wow. That'll get me sick if that happened here. I'd be sick tomorrow. That's going to be some crazy pressure changes and all that. Dang, man. Well, hey, good luck with that, Sean. Good luck with that one. Wow. Uh-oh. China's president's going to be visiting Russia for a summit. Yeah, this is crazy. It does say, though, in the article that they want to play a more active role in ending the thing in Ukraine. So if I look at this, we read it real quick. It did say that they were going to... Beijing wants to play an active role aimed at ending the conflict. I don't know. I kind of feel like these two countries like each other, but I don't know. In Germany, Mr. Wang said China would issue a position paper on Ukraine this week. Huh. Mr. Wang. I couldn't help it, guys. I couldn't fucking help it. I can't help it. It's like that thing on the Wolf of Wall Street. He's like, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm going to search it up here.
I'm not leaving.
I'm not fucking leaving.
That's pretty good. That was pretty good. I'm going to have to add... Actually, I was going to add it to my... I'll add it to the button. He said a curse word, though. It made me sad. Forgot he said that. Darn guy. Sean says, yeah, I'm sick. You're gonna have to go visit WBA, man, the Walgreens. Yeah, the Amateur Players Tour. So, upcoming tournaments in Stonewolf on March 19th. So, let's go ahead and check out all the people registered so far. 144 people in the field. So, I'm going to make it Division 4, which is my division. Most of these guys I'm playing are like old. 36. This guy's 50. This guy is 29. Darn it, there is a young one. 54. Maybe it was the other tournament. Hang on. Maybe it was Peevely Farms. Maybe this is the one. Oh, okay, this is the one. This is it. So I'm a 13.5 to 18.4 handicap. I don't really have it in there for sure or nothing, but I was looking through all these people, and all the people I'm playing are like over the age of like 50 besides one guy. So I think my chances on that one might be good. I don't know. Although I doubt it. They're probably cheating. They're probably like lying on their they're probably like 5 handicaps and they're saying they're like 10 or 15s. Sean, I do that too actually. That's my favorite thing. I do like I have a little like 10 or 15-foot section I could put on the carpet, and then I actually chip on the dang carpet too. I love doing flop shots in the house, Sean. It's my favorite. One time I really was getting weird with the flop shots, like trying to do some crazy shit inside. Man, I ended up hitting it wrong, and we'll just say there's a little dent in the hard wall now. I like hoselled it. I had it really open. I mean, open to the point of like, it was almost backwards, I think, you know? Stupid stuff going on. Man, SPY broke the low of day, guys. Eyed up, just broke. Just broke. Look at that 1 minute, looking good. Looking solid. Yeah, that's good, though. He putts every day on the carpet. You're going to be like Phil Mickelson. I forgot what it was. Darn, man. I got to get my car done tomorrow, and it looks like it's going to, like, rain. I have to call the people and reschedule it now. I hope this thing can finally pass the emissions. If it can't, can I just, like, pay you guys some money and I'll, like, register it at one of your guys' houses? Like, somewhere where there's not any emissions. Please. This is too hard. I'll pay you, like, $500 or, like, $1,000. If we can, like, register it somehow there. I swear, I'll do it. It's terrible. Wow, this is funny. Good old SPY. What about the DraftKings? How's our 3-chart setup looking, guys? Is it looking good? Starting to get rejection off BABA resistance. I think you should keep an eye on that one. Amazon to the downside. Guys, those Amazon puts, don't sleep on them. I know it's not technically like buying them live today. I bought them live Friday, though. Check it out. I think you guys will really enjoy that. Some of these plays here looking good. Looking good. Loving it. Good job, Amazon. That puts making up for Palantir falling. So, gotta love that. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. I really do. Probably gonna end the stream here. Of course, we go live every single day at Market Open, so check us out tomorrow. We'll be going live once again. Maybe enter a new position tomorrow, depending on how the market looks. Still today, just riding those Amazon puts to the downside. Love that. Working out well so far today. That daily on Amazon looks pretty darn good. But yeah, have a good one, guys. I appreciate you joining up. Seriously. Let's have a great week. It's a short week. We're starting it off on Tuesday strong here. Tomorrow, be ready. We're going to have the FOMC minutes, okay? It's going to be huge to watch for over the next couple days. FOMC minutes. Let's see if I can get it up here. Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern time. So be ready for that. 2 p.m. is that. And then after close, we have NVIDIA, Lucid, Unity, Etsy, Teladoc, Sunrun. I mean, man, we're talking about a lot of nice stocks there. So let's go, guys. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you guys all kill it this week. You know, let's bring in the profits. You know, I want the fam to win. Let's get some nice cash flow coming in, get some wins. I hope these Amazon puts keep doing well this week. And yeah, keep checking out that hashtag day trading channel. Make sure you're checking out the swing plays. Mike has some good ones on NSC. Man, it's been looking good. So have a good day. Manny, I'm into the Amazon 90 strike puts for April 21st. Average price of 3.2. So the 90 strike puts, April 21st, 3.20 is my average price. 3.20. Nothing crazy, but I think it could be a good one. So I'm already up on it a little bit. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's keep seeing some nice movement here. Getting some pullbacks going on, but appreciate you guys. Seriously, have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining up. Have a good one.